Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be explaining on how you can connect your Perplexity AI with other productivity tools. So this is really useful if you want to automate workflows, sync research, or integrate Perplexity into apps like Notion, Zapier, N8N, and more. So you do have to make sure that your Perplexity Pro or API plan is active because these integrations require an API key. So let's get started. The first thing that you will have to do is get your Perplexity API key. So what you will have to do is click your icon right here and then go to all settings. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is you will just have to go to your API group or API keys. And again, you do have to make sure first that you actually have your plan all set up and that you have your credit so that you will be able to actually have an API key in the first place. So once you have all that set up and once you ensure that you have your API key, what you will have to do is create your new key and then you will copy your key and keep it private. Then, what you will have to do next is connect to Zapier on zapier.com and then you will create a new job and then you will search for Perplexity AI API and then you will insert your API key. You can now automate tasks like generate summaries, create content drafts, send AI results to Google Docs, and whatever you want, honestly. And then you could also connect to N8N, which is a self-hosted automation. So what you will have to do is you will open your N8N dashboard if you already have one, and then you will add a new HTTP request node, and then you will paste your API key in the header section, and then yeah, that's basically just it. And then you could also connect to Notion, but Notion doesn't really support Perplexity directly, but you can connect it through Zapier or N8N. So the trigger is Perplexity response, and the action is create page in Notion, and then this will let you save all outputs in organized pages. And yeah, that's basically how you can do it. And I hope you can now connect your Perplexity AI with other productivity tools, and this can seriously upgrade your workflow. Yeah. So, yeah, again, make sure that you have your plan, your credit, so that you will be able to actually do all of the steps that I've just mentioned earlier. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.